Hey everybody, welcome back to the Steel City Break Room. We're about to do our 2017-18 Hoops Basketball 10-box Pick Your Team Group Break number 1. All 10 boxes from this break will be pulled from a sealed case for break number 1. The other 10 boxes will be set aside for box break number 2. So we have the sealed case in the room. This is a Pick Your Team Group case break. Each team is a price for sale individually. Breaks can move it or push back. Pretty much breaking at schedule time. The customer receive all cards as their team, then put on the manager of the card. In the event of the card being a hit, that's jersey, patch, auto, or numbered card containing 2 or replacement different teams. Random.org will be used to randomize that card between the associated teams. In the event of a player being an all-star collegiate uniform or all-star collegiate team they put on the card will be given to the team that the player is currently on. If that player is retired, the card will be given to the team he's on for the longest. All base duels, including points, will be randomized to one user at the end of the break. So if we get any like base duels, checklists, points, stuff like that, that'll be randomized at the end of the break. Same thing with like ABA cards that don't have NBA equivalents. All right, let's take around the case. The first 10 boxes are going to be with me. Second 10 will be with AJ. Take you around the case. The case is heavy. We tackle some hits. We'll take the first 10 out. AJ on the other 10. Alrighty. There's 2. 4. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Smiley face for AJ. Brighten his night tonight. He'll be all happy. Like, oh, I wonder who wrote that. It's Ben. How lucky is he? All right, let's get some big hits. 10 boxes over here. 2 autos in every box. Good luck to everybody in the break. Like I said, I am still breaking live. You have me till at least 4 o'clock. Anything that doesn't fill with me today, AJ will take tonight. And he'll be on until about 1 a.m. So we have a ton of breaks still coming today. So check those out. All right, let's get started. I'll go through the first box kind of slow so you guys can see what it looks like this year. Good stuff. We had a couple boxes so far. Rookie Collins, Stauskas, Valanciunas, Tyler Lydon auto for the Denver Nuggets. Tyler Lydon. Connolly, Gortat, Rubio, Solomon Hill. Randall, Rab, Parker, Luis Montero. Autos are coming quick for the Pistons. Luis Montero. Hoops Inc. Luis Montero. For the Detroit Pistons. Iguodala, Ross, Johnson. Jeff Green, Dennis Smith, Robertson, Ibaka, Rivers, Waiters, Selden, Kaminsky. So this will stop on any of the hits, any of the bigger rookies. KCP, Thomas Beasley, Lopez, McCollum. Dame Lillard, Bellinelli, Thad Young. There's Kobe, Awandu rookie, Curry, Levert, Teague, Shaq, Matthews, Carter Williams. Morris, there's Kobe, Frank Mason, Nene, Bledsoe. We got next Dennis Smith, Kemba, and Gary Harris. Kyle Kuzma, Irving, Ariza, Chandler. There's base duel. Lyles, Gobert, Otto Porter. Bradley, Thomas Bryant, Baker, Gordon, Gerald Green, Hill, Batum, Barton. LeBron, John Collins, Aminu, Whitehead. There's Ware, Winslow. Or Wade, I said Ware, geez, Wade. Mitchell, Reddick, Yang, Hernan Gomez, Anderson, Covington, Paul Millsap. It's Kobe, Sterling Brown, Chris, Deli, Abrines. For the Clippers, out of 199. 50 of 199, Lou Williams. Augustine, Markieff Morris. Westbrook, Abaya, Leonard, Seacom, Jordan, Shaq, Harris, Tyreek Evans. Embiid, Kobe, Maker, Satoransky, Podol, Howard, Williams, Schroeder. Nance, Jaylen Brown, Kobe, Ulis, Malcolm Brogdon, Kyle Kuzma, Hernan Gomez, Simmons. Nothing huge yet. Just one box in. Josh Jackson, rookie. Iggy, McDermott, Noguera. Joel Embiid, backstage pass. Oubre, Ellison, Papagiannis. Shaquille O'Neal. Open up our first 10 boxes of NBA hoops. AJ will have break number 2 tonight. Jordan Bell. For the Sixers, Jahlil Okafor out of 99. 96 to 99 Okafor. Davis and Gasol. Cool numbered cards. See if I want to get some numbered rookies, some rookie ink in here. Anthony Davis, team leaders. For the Cavaliers, Kay Felder out of 199. Markelle Fultz, rookie. NBA 2K18, Shaq. You can go home and play some 2K after this. There's Hart. Clarkson. Boban. Alright. Not too shabby. Like I said, hopefully we can get some big hits coming out here. There's a lot of good rookies. Some nice rookie ink would be cool. Some low-numbered rookies as well. Isaiah Thomas, TJ Leaf, rookie. Tatum, rookie. I don't know what we do with all this. I just know it fills up my room like way too quickly. That's why I can't wait. I'll be having a new place to break soon. I can actually have won't be trash all over my floor all the time. I hope. DJ Wilson. Brandon Ingram. Yep, this is hoops. You just missed the first box. It was no huge autos yet. Just missed box number 1. Miles Turner action shots. John Collins. And every card will ship in this break, so we got to sort this. It may go out tomorrow at the latest, probably Friday, but every card will ship from this break. For the Raptors, Hoops Inc. Lorenzo Brown. Magic and Hawks. Nope, no Magic or Hawks yet. Lorenzo Brown for the Raptors. Road to the finals, Klay Thompson. For the Denver Nuggets, Kenneth Faried, out of 199. For the Heat, Shaq, Frank Mason, Julius Randle. Butler, Reddick, Nance, Jaylen Brown. Zebo for the Kings, 31/99, Zach Randolph. Josh Jackson, rookie. Millsap, DeRozan, Draymond, Aaron Baines. Thomas Bryant. There it is, and we got it out of, oh my God, 8 of 25, Lonzo Ball. Already out of our first, God, we're only 2 boxes in. 8 of 25, Lonzo Ball. That is, I mean, just already off the chains, selling like crazy. 8 of 25, Lonzo Ball. Huge, 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 huge hit. That's what we're looking for. I saw the auto, and I was like, just give me the auto on it, and I flipped. I said, maybe it's numbered. Maybe out of 99. Wow, 8 of 25, Lonzo Ball. I just want to do a LeVar Ball walk around the office now. That's huge. Whoever had the Lakers in #1, that is a big hit. 8 of 25 Ball. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put this, we're going to put that back here. Okay. Cool. Donovan Mitchell, Dennis Smith, Marcus Smart. Nice hit. We'll go get that one touch right after the break. That is a big, 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 big hit. Big hit. You guys should understand. I'll be pulling some balls. I am, by all, I mean like 150 or something. I am by all accounts a big baller. So it's only natural. Just Markelle Fultz rookie. Maybe 160 or so. Big hit right there. Let's get the rest of these rookies in here as well. KCP. All right. 2 boxes in already. Got a huge hit. Out of 25, Lonzo Ball. That is absolutely sweet. Dude, I'm pretty excited. It's a big hit, man. For the Lakers, Brook Lopez. Terrence Ferguson. Aaron Fox? Aaron Fox auto. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of Lakers in these products this year. For the Suns, Allen Williams. 12 to 25. Nice little number, 12-25, Allen Williams. Shaquille O'Neal. Rookie ball. Road to the finals, LeBron. Ben Simmons. Off to a pretty good start this year. Sixers not off to a great start, but Simmons is looking pretty good. For the Pacers, Hoopsync, Darren Collison. Darren Collison for the Indiana Pacers. For the Wizards, Tim Frazier out of 199. For the Kings, Harry Giles. Harry Giles for the Sacramento Kings. Hot rookie signings. Duke guy, right? The Milwaukee Bucks, DJ Wilson rookie. Juwan Evans. Farrell. Already got some really big hits coming out of here. Hopefully we have some more big booms coming out of these other boxes. Get some more of these rookies. Box number 3 in the books. I don't know. I know they're out of most of them are out of 25. Some of the bigger ones. Cavaliers and Sixers tip-off. Markelle Fultz rookie. Isaiah Thomas team leaders. Josh Hart. Zaza for the Warriors at a 199. Marking it. NBA 2K Shaq. Drew Holiday. Bunch of Kobe inserts in here. Courtside Anthony Davis. Bacon, Justin Jackson. Jonathan Isaac, rookie. Jarrett Allen, Corver. Rookie Lonzo. Moutier, Rodney Hood. KD team leaders. Nick Young, Malik Monk. For the Clippers, rookie hot signatures, Juwan Evans. Big Celtics hits, not yet. Blake Griffin, 8/10 special delivery. 8/10 for the Clippers. Back-to-back Clippers hits. I think a couple Tatum rookies, but nothing numbered or signed yet for Boston. Road to the finals, Isaiah Thomas. Backstage pack, big backstage pass, Giannis Antetokounmpo. I can say his last name, but I can't say backstage pass. Just on my luck's been. Shaq Diesel. $600, that's going to go in our base pile. Clyde Drexler. That will go in our base pile. We'll randomize that off. the Kings, Zebo out of 199. Box of number 4. Box of number 5. Team leaders, Mella. Evans, Lynn, Davis, Farrell. Still a bunch more autos to be coming out of here. Josh Jackson, rookie for the Suns. Giannis. Josh Jackson. We got next insert. Rookie ball. Kareem. Still looking for some autos from this box. For the Wizards, Otto Porter. Out of 99, Otto Porter. Giannis backstage. Kuzma. For the Bulls, nice. Markkanen. First round pick for Chicago. Lauri Markkanen. Rookie hot signatures. Nice hit for the Chicago Bulls. For Portland, Noah Vaughn, layout of 199. Shaq, NBA hoops. More NBA 2K Shaq. This time with the Magic. For the Utah Jazz, Alec Burks out of 199. Simmons. Christensen. Hoop Sync auto for the Thunder. Christian. Moving on to stack number 2 in just a moment. All right. See, we got in our second stack. First one gave us some nice hits. Markkanen, Lonzo Ball, 8 of 25. That's a beauty. And this will be my last break. If anything fills, AJ will take it tonight. I got to get a bunch of stuff out before the mail comes today, so I'll make sure I get that done. D-Wade team leaders. I should take it past 4 anyway, but. Rookie Thomas Bryant. Kristaps Porzingis backstage pass. Luke Kennard.
Derek Favors for the Jazz, $24.99. Dennis Smith Jr. rookie. What else we can get out of here? Holiday. Courtside Kawhi. Evan Fournier, team leaders for the Magic. Fultz and Hayward. Like I said, Aja's got a bunch of great breaks tonight. NT Baseball. There's Abdul Nader auto for the Celtics. Abdel Nader. He has NT Baseball, some hoops. Got a Fultz rookie. He has some Prism football, some more treasure chest breaks, and some good stuff coming up. Ryan Anderson out of 199. Shaq, Bradley Wall. For the Milwaukee Bucks, Malcolm Brogdon, hot signatures. Having a nice rookie season last year, Malcolm Brogdon for the Bucks. For the Kings, Justin Jackson. Larry Nance Jr., special delivery. Ricky Lonzo. Augustine. For the Hornets, if I can flip it around, team leaders Kemba. Stay with me. Four more to go. We all care about out of 99 for the Sixers. This NBA 2K card out there, numbered out of there, but always checking. Thornwell. There's a tip-off card for Base Duel. We got to randomize off those base duels plus 600 points to be given away as well. We'll take autos instead of points for the rest of that if we can. Patty Mills out of 2017, road to the finals. Another rookie ball. Elfrid Payton for Orlando. NBA Hoops. So guys, we are breaking NBA Hoops 10-box group break number 1. Delon Wright backstage pass. Waiting on some ink from this box. For the Pacers, TJ Leaf. TJ Leaf auto for the Indiana Pacers. Harrison Barnes. Dark. Justin Anderson for the Sixers. Hoop Sync Justin Anderson. For the Heat, James Johnson out of 199. Avery Bradley out of 2017. All right, three more to go. Michael Beasley for the Knicks out of 199. Chandler Parsons for the Grizzlies. Still need to get our autos out of this one. Oh, it's going to be a lot more Shaq. A lot more Shaq's going to be coming out of it. Josh Hart auto for the Lakers. For the Lakers, rookie hot signatures, Josh Hart. We got next Jason Tatum. Boogie Cousins for the Pelicans. Couple more packs to go. Rookie ball. Jeff Withey auto for the Mavs. Center, Jeff Withey. For the Warriors out of 199, Zaza. Jeff Withey auto is really weird. Did not expect that. Two more boxes to go. All right, let's see some Fultz, Tatum, Smith, Monk, Fox, Jackson. Let's see some big rookie autos. Pascal Siakam for the Raptors out of 199. One what? Nice. That's 22-25 Kobe. Career tribute, 22-25 Kobe. Really? Let's go through. Did I skip an auto? I think so. Nope. Nope. Lonzo Ball, we got next. Lonzo. Ike Anabagu, out of 99 for the Pacers. Rookie ball, a lot of Lonzos in here. Fox. DJ Wilson for the Bucks. DJ Wilson auto.
Well, this will be fun to sort tonight.
Legends Ewing. There are a lot of Bucks in here. Julius Erving. For the Lakers, Steven Zimmerman. Steven Zimmerman auto for the Lakers. Hoops Inc. Miles Turner. All right, one more box. Let's see what we got. Everything getting overshadowed by Lonzo so far. Let's finish how the NBA's been. Let's see if we can get one or two more big rookie autos out of here. And we got to randomize off the duels. For the Pacers, Miles Turner out of 199. For the Warriors, Damian Jones, Hoop Sync. Damian Jones. Justin Patton, hot rookie signatures for the Timberwolves. Justin Patton for Minnesota. Luke Kennard for Detroit. Scott Labissiere out of 99 for the Kings. Alright, let's see what else we got. For the Clippers, Jawan Evans out of 199 rookie. Kuzma. Haslam for the Heat. Last pack. That's what we got. Alright, let's go randomize any of the base duels plus 600 points. Throw that up on random.org. I need my NBA teams for this. Right, sometimes you gotta buy the bigger teams. Sometimes you gotta buy the big guys. Alright. 5 times. Let's see who's gonna get the duels and 600 points. The Boston Celtics. Bastin. All right, Boston's going to grab that. There it is 5 times. No, it was pretty much, it was Lonzo Ball pretty much, and that was it for big hits for rookies. There was a couple rookie, I don't think there was any numbered rookies. It was the Lonzo Ball show with that 8/25 Lonzo. All right, guys, thanks for the break. I'll be back in just a little bit. Actually, no, I won't. AJ is going to be here tonight. Any breaks that aren't here,
AJ will take. I'll be back tomorrow at 11. Thanks for a super, super busy hit. Yeah, I know. Everybody can cry about Lonzo Ball. Peace, man. All right, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Keep AJ busy. Thanks.